The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Mexico Police Department. A purple dinosaur is running around the streets, killing people. His name is Evil Barney. He has red eyes, sharp teeth, and green belly. If you see this creature, do not go near him. Because he might kill you. We advise to lock all doors and windows. Do not let the creature get in. If you let him in, you might get killed. The best way to protect yourself is to go hide in a shelter. If you don't have any shelter, you can find a basement. Turn off all lights, so Evil Barney will notice that there is nobody on your home. Stay tuned for more information about this situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of Mexico Police Department. Evil Barney has duplicating and multiplying. Now, it take over some cities in Mexico. These cities include Monterrey, Tijuana, Ciudad Juarez, Mérida, Torreon, and Chihuahua. If you are about 2 kilometers radius of these cities, please lock all doors and windows. It is recommended to search a shelter or an underground shelter. If the Evil Barney could break to the shelter, you might want to cover it with an iron. Stay tuned for more information about this situation. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Mexico Police Department. Evil Barney is multiplying even more. And now, it took over 4 cities. It includes Acapulco, Mazatlan, Morelia, and Hermosillo. And plus, a new type of Evil Barney has been spawned. He has white eyes with no pupils, sharp claws on feet and hands, and sharper teeth. If you see those 2 types of the creatures, don't go near him and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
National Alert! National Alert! National Alert! The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. The Evil Barneys keep multiplying. And plus, a nuclear bomb launch has been detected and the nuclear bomb will explode in 4 minutes. This nuclear bomb is heading to Florida. This is an attack warning. Repeat. This is an attack warning. Find a fallout shelter immediately before you expose yourself to radioactive fallout. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout may cause sickness, or even death. If no such shelter exists, you can find in the underground basement. Remember to keep your doors and windows locked, because Evil Barney might come inside your house. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
Continent alert! Continent alert! Continent alert to whole country in the America continent. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The nuclear bomb found exploded in Florida 2 hours ago. A new evil Barney species has been spawned, and it is Godzilla Barney. This species is bigger than other evil Barneys. The total amount of the species are 79, while the evil Barneys are 9,526, and the sharp-clawed evil Barney are 5,071. Total are 14,676. The Godzilla Barneys are heading to Ottawa, Canada, Washington, D.C., U.S., New York City, U.S., Florida, U.S., Tehran, Mexico, Seattle, U.S., and Chihuahua, Mexico. The other 72 are unknown. Where will it headed to? Find an underground shelter immediately before you get killed. Remember to keep all of your doors and windows locked. Stay on your shelter for at least 12 to 18 days. Bring a battery-powered radio to keep updated about this situation. Bring food and drinks for your stay in the shelter. Our crew with amount of 2,763 people will try to kill the evil Barneys. Stay tuned to local media for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. Repeat. All clear. We are happy to declare that all the evil Barneys were killed. Sadly, 81 of our crew got killed while killing the evil Barneys. You may now exit the shelter, but it will take years to repair the broken buildings. We will now back to normal programming.